No? So you can have x times y, x by y, the product of x and y. That was the other, the product of x and y. And the last one? Yeah, what is it? How do you say it? Ooh. The y into x. Yeah. X over y. X divided by y. And the last one begins with a Q. The something of x and y begins with a Q. Do you remember? Yeah. The quotient of x and y.
Quotient.
You remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I believe you, I guess. Colleen told me to tell you you're all on Instagram. So there's some picture of you on Instagram or something.
Oh.
Do you know about this?
I love Instagram.
You know.
I just know Instagram.
Yeah, Colleen told me to tell you that you're all on Instagram. I don't know what she means, but you can ask her when you see her. Okay. Right. Let's get started. So. Yeah, who knows what this means? Let's talk about this. Work out.
Work out.
Yeah, what does that mean? Yeah, work out. Anyone know? Say again?
No.
Oh, not too bad. Not quite. Not quite. Something else.
Work out.
Oh, come on. I'm sure somebody
It's
knows.
like the day off.
Like a day off?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, you would say work is out. That would mean a day off, a holiday. No, not that. Not that.
It's not related to the gym, right?
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. So what does that
Practice.
mean?
Practice.
Yeah. Yeah, one meaning is related to, as you said, the gym. Let me draw a little picture. This is one meaning of workout. Yeah? Yeah?
Wait.
Yeah, weights, exercise.
Is this a workout?
Yes?
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Is this a new word? Yeah? You knew it before for gym. Yeah. But this is a new word? Yeah? Okay, good. But it has a second meaning. It has a second meaning in maths class. Does anyone know? Yeah, maths. You know maths. Yeah? Maths. Yes, correct. Correct, yes. Calculate. Calculate. Like if I said 1 plus 1 equals what? You work out. It's 2, yeah. Work out. Means calculate. Get the answer. Yeah? You see? So, what's interesting is a lot of words in maths have two meanings. They mean something in English, but then they have a different meaning in maths. Right? These are very different, aren't they? Yeah, very different. Which working out would you prefer to do? Would you like to work out in the gym, or would you like to work out in the maths class? It's different. It's very different, yeah? Yeah. So, okay, write that down, because this seems to be a new word for you. Or at least for you, you only had one meaning of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's write that down. You can even draw the picture if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it? I can scroll down, yeah? Jeffrey, you have this?
No.
Not yet?
Okay.
Is okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have a look at some more examples. The first word, well, okay, so each word has two meanings. We'll say EAP. Well, what's the name of your English class? It's called EAP?
It's English
Yeah, I think
academic protect
Purpose.
purpose.
EAP, yeah, and then we have maths. Okay, so the first word we'll do. Oh, Stephen, messy teacher. Right, the first word we have is perimeter. Okay. Does anybody know this word, perimeter?
Mortar, I know.
Which one do you know? Yeah.
Perimeter.
Yeah?
Merge, I know. But perimeter, I don't know.
Okay, not together. Right, okay, you don't know this one. Anyone, maybe? No? New word? Yeah? Okay, no problem. So in maths, the meaning is, if you have something like this, x, y, the perimeter is x plus y plus x plus y.
Oh, it's several. Oh,
You add
yeah.
the outside. That's the meaning in maths class. Yeah? But in EAP class, it has a different meaning. And in EAP class, oh, let me try and draw this. Oh, no, it's beautiful.
What's this?
Hold on.
It's difficult to write this.
Let me draw. It's a wall with people on it, and they guard, they protect. It's like maybe they shoot you if you try to get in. Do you know? Dead. Do you know what I mean? Like defense. You know what I mean? Protection. Yeah. You know, like outside a prison or outside a government building. You know,
Yeah.
for protection. This is called a perimeter. Yeah. Some of you look confused. Maybe my picture is too bad. Where would a perimeter be in Ireland? Outside a prison? Maybe. Where else? Yeah, outside a prison, just. Let's think. In China, you have a perimeter between China and some other countries, right? Is there
Like to border?
like a border? Yeah.
Yeah.
So who borders China where you need a perimeter?
In any
Yeah, any country. Yeah. So give me an example.
it's like to close to Thailand.
Thailand. Okay. So there's a border between China and Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
And I think it's Mongol.
Okay. So there's perimeters there, like a border. Yeah. Okay. Next word. Range. Yeah. Yes, like a series. Yeah. So you're giving me kind of like the English meaning then, series. So how could I draw this? You could say, who's the youngest in this class? Who's the youngest? Yeah. Maybe you? How old?
17.
Anybody 16? No, 17 is the youngest. Okay. Who is the eldest?
Me.
How old?
26.
No, me then. Okay, eldest student then. So you could say something like the age range is 17 to 26. Yeah? But does anybody know the meaning in maths class? Yeah, the meaning in maths is a bit different. So in maths you would say the age range is, anybody know?
It's not.
Very good, 9. How'd you get 9? What did you do? You did 26 minus 17. Isn't that what you did? You got the right answer. 9, yeah? Yeah? 26 minus 17. Yeah? Okay, good. Right, and the last example I want to do,
Sorry.
yeah. Oh, yeah. What, you need me to go back up?
Yes.
Okie dokie.
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, all right. Now, the last one I hope you all know. I hope you all know this one. Circle.
Circle.
Yes, circle. So, maybe I should have done that first. What's the maths meaning? You know it. There you go. Circle. Okay. It's a noun.
No. Yeah.
But it also has a meaning as a verb.
Verb.
Yeah, does anyone know the verb meaning?
Circular.
Circular would be an adjective.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Circle around the stadium or something.
You could circle a city, couldn't you? Yeah, what does that mean? Go around it. Yeah, yeah. So you could have, like you said, you could circle a house maybe, which means you walk around it.
Yeah.
Walk around it, for example.
Walk around.
Or, you know, if you have an MCQ, multiple choice test, A, B, C, D, you say you circle the answer. You know, you draw around it. Yeah. So it has a meaning as a verb. Yeah. Now, what I want you to do, I have the 3 words here. You can use your dictionary. Okay. I want you to find one word that has 2 different meanings. Okay, so you need to think about some words in maths. It can be any maths word. It could be the words we did last week, like plus or multiply or whatever. Or maybe it's some other words you can think of, like triangle or whatever. I just need you to find one more word that has 2 different meanings. Do you understand? Yeah, and you can use your dictionary for 2 minutes. 2 minutes only. Okay, 3 minutes maybe. I just want one word. And then I will ask you, and you must tell me the 2 meanings. 2 different meanings, okay? So you can write it down the bottom here, alright? Just skim right it there. Yeah, put your word and the 2 meanings. Do I have enough? So you can write your word at the bottom with the 2 meanings.
Okay.
Oh, just about enough. Nice picture. Okay. I forgot, but I owe somebody chocolate, don't I? Who won the bingo last week? Was it you? I still owe you a chocolate. I need to remember for next week. Oh yeah, no, don't. Those are just what I did earlier. Don't worry about that. I just want you to write. All I want you to do now, forget about that. Just use this space to write the meaning of two different... Pick a word and give me the two different meanings. Yeah, any word you want. So you could use a word from last week. You could use your dictionary and maybe, for example, you could look plus.
Yeah.
Maybe it has two meanings. You know? Yeah. Whatever maths word you want. You could pick a word that we didn't do too. I'll give you some examples if you want to look in your dictionary. Some examples if you want to pick one. Maybe this will help you. I think multiply is good if you want to check that. Or take away is also good. Or product is also good. Or difference is also good. You know, pick any of these words and see what the two meanings are. You all have dictionaries, yeah? Yeah. Divided also, that's another good one if you want to check that one. That has two different meanings too. No dictionary?
No.
You all have dictionaries, yeah? Good, okay. Phone is fine, yeah. Alright, are you all finished? Let's start, let's see what you got. So what word did you pick?
Three.
Tree.
Three. Yeah. Three.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know the meaning, the two meanings, yeah?
No. That's 3 words.
Oh no, I only want one word. Just one. One's enough, yeah.
1 word.
Yeah, so what? Give me one word that you picked.
Product.
Product, good. Product. Okay. What are the two meanings of product?
No. Noun.
Noun, good.
Noun is a product of X and Y.
Good. X, product, Y.
Yeah.
Good. And the other meaning?
Verb.
Verb, good, yes.
Verb is it products pepper.
It what?
It products pepper.
It products people.
Pepper.
Paper. Product. Oh, I'm sorry. I think as a verb it's a little bit different. It's produce.
Oh.
Yeah.
Produce.
Yeah. But no, but we can fix it. You could say the product is paper.
Is pepper.
Yeah. You could use it like this. Okay, good. Right. Now, son, what did you pick?
I think it's
What word did you pick? You didn't pick a word? Oh, that's okay. What about your friend beside you? What did you pick?
Difference.
Difference, good. So what's the meaning in maths for difference?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, yeah. So x minus y. And then in English?
Dissimilarity.
Yeah, dissimilarity. the difference between you and you is you're from China and you're not, probably.
Yeah.
Right? So that's one difference. Okay, good. Right. And my 17-year-old, what did you pick?
I didn't read.
You didn't pick one yet?
Yeah.
No? Ah, what did you pick? No, they're just mine. Jeffrey, what did you pick?
And you picked, I think, 1 to 10.
Product, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, you picked product then. All right. Guys, can we continue? Are you okay with this?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You seem a little confused.
Plus
What did you pick? I forgot her name. What did you pick?
4.
Sorry.
Yes?
Pardon?
What word did you pick?
Average.
Good, average, okay. So in maths, average means like x plus y plus z over 3.
Yes.
Yeah, and the other meaning?
Let me see.
On average.
Yes, yes.
Proportion?
Proportional, yes. Or I like what he said, the meaning on average. What does that mean, on average?
Usually.
Usually, yeah. Mostly, usually, normally. It means like this. Yeah. So you could say something like, on average, everybody is in class. Meaning, normally, everyone is in class. Yeah. Or I could say, on average, I'm on time for school. Normally, I'm on time for school. Yeah. Yeah. On average, I have 3 meals a day. You know?
Maybe 5.
Maybe more, maybe less. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You all look so confused. Are you just tired and hungry, or are you confused? It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll continue. We'll continue. Right, so look, what I want to do now is some more vocabulary. So practice some more. Total, what does that mean?
Total is amount.
Yeah, amount. How much?
How much?
So it's kind of like add, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, good. What about shared
Share.
equally? What is that like?
Shared on the same amount?
Yeah, so what maths meaning is that? Total is plus and shared equally? Plus, minus,
Division.
multiply, divide. It's kind of like divide, isn't it? It means everybody has the same.
Yeah.
Yeah? What about this one? Removed.
Removed is a delete.
Delete. That's kind of like minus, isn't it? Yeah. What about took away? Took away or take away.
Total.
Yeah. What's that like?
Is
Minus.
minus.
Yeah. The same as takes out. That's also kind of like minus, isn't it? What is the meaning of have left? Which one is that like?
Remaining?
Yeah, so it's related to minus again, isn't it? Yeah. Now here's a hard one. Lots of.
Multiplication?
Good. Multiply. It's like multiply. Yeah, so I'll give you an example, okay? You could say 3 lots of 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 15. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, good. 3 more, well, divided, you know. Decreased
Mine. Decrease.
is kind of like minus. Yeah? Declined, reduced, decreased. Yeah. Means they're going down. Yeah? So, if you go to the next page, can you go to the next page? Exercise 2? Yeah. You know these exercises from English class. Here are the words, and I want you to fill in the blanks. Okay? So I'll give you a minute. Let's see if you can do it. How's it going? Easy? Hard? A little bit?
Can you change the words?
Oh no, it should fit perfectly.
Perfectly. Or what the past and that's what I'm saying.
The tense is fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So no modification.
No modifications. I hope that's English. Is that English? Try to use English. You'll make your English teacher sad if you don't. Who's your English teacher? Neil, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Finished? Not yet. Difficult? Try your best. Try your best. Don't worry. I'll give you one more minute. Are you finished over there?
No.
Oh. How many are left?
4.
Okay. Jeffrey, how are these going? How many are left?
Exhausted.
Good job. Okay, look, let's do the answers together, okay? Let's see. So, the first one. Frishta has £220 in the bank if she...
Took away.
Takes out.
Ooh, yeah, what is it? Is it took away or is it takes out?
Takes out.
If she takes out £89, how much does she have left? So it should be takes out.
Mm.
It's not took away.
Mm.
The grammar is wrong. What would it be if you want to use took? What would it be? Does anyone know?
It was in the past.
Yeah. So like what you would have to modify took away. You couldn't say took away. What would you say? If she. How do you make it past tense? Does anyone know?
Just remove if.
Yeah, but I just want to change took.
Mm.
So if you want, you could say if she took out. So just to be clear on the first one, listen. You can say if she takes out. That's the right one. Or you could say if she took out. But you don't have took out. You have took away, which is not right. Yeah. So just for the grammar, you can have took out or takes out. What's the difference? Which this one,
Impossible.
this one's past, yeah, and this one here is present. What's the future?
Future will.
Yeah, what would you say?
Will
Will
take.
take out. Yeah, that's the future one. Yeah, so this is why you were asking me about the grammar, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, good. Next, there are 250 basketball players at a tournament. They are,
Shade equal.
not quite, divided into 50 teams.
Divide.
Yeah. Why is it not shared equally? Yeah. Why is it not? You might know then, since you said it. Why is it not shared equally?
Because they are.
No, it's okay to say they are shared equally, I think. Why is it not? Does anybody know? No, I'll tell you. We use shared equally usually for things like money or food, not for people.
Yeah.
So you could say, I shared my sweets equally, or I shared my money equally. But we don't say, I shared my friends equally, you know. Yeah. You know, it's not like I'll give you the arm and then I'll give you the leg. You know, it's not like this. Okay, next. How many people are there in each team? Okay, everybody got that one. Right. Graham pays £84.50 on travel per month by buying a daily travel card. He then decides to buy a monthly travel card and pays £68. By how much has his travel card decreased, isn't it? Yeah. Decreased, isn't it? Yeah. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because he less money. Yeah. Okay. The recipe for a cake uses 85 grams of butter, 114 grams of sugar, 142 grams of plain flour, and 14 grams of baking powder. What is the total weight of these ingredients? Oh, you're having trouble. Is okay? Yeah. A tank holds 798 litres of oil when full. If 39 litres are...
Remove half it.
Ooh, oh, okay. What do we think?
Half it.
No.
Took away. No.
No. Not that.
It's not removed.
Yeah, it's removed.
Oh, it is.
Remove.
Yeah.
How you can remove water?
You see, yeah. In English, we tend to use removed with water. So, for example, if you have something solid, like the table or the chair, you know, I can take away the chair, or I could say the chair, you know, was took away or taken away. But when you have a liquid, it's kind of funny, but when you have something like water, you'd say, I remove the water.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's just how we speak in English. So, you know, if this room was full of water, you don't say take away the water. Like you would usually say remove the water. So, yeah, remove the oil.
Remove the oil.
Yeah, it's oil, isn't it? So, where's it?
So teacher, what's the difference
Because it's oil,
Uh-huh.
it's removed.
Oh,
Because it's oil. You know oil?
Yeah.
Yes.
Teacher, what's the difference with the cancel?
Cancel?
Yeah.
Like what?
Because delete, cancel, and remove.
Delayed, cancel,
Yeah.
and removed. Well, delayed just means it's late.
Because sometimes that is because sometimes the railway station said we are apologize of the delay the train or cancel the train.
The difference is delayed just means it's late.
Delayed.
Yeah, late.
Yeah.
Cancelled means no train.
No train.
It's gone.
No, delayed. Delete.
Delete?
Yeah, delete.
I don't, delete or delayed? I think the Lewis people would say delayed.
No, not
Yeah.
delay. It's like to the meaning. The same meaning of the cancel is
Oh, delete.
delete.
So what's the difference between delete and cancel?
Yeah.
Delete is for things, like on the computer. So you can like delete your name, delete your password.
Okay.
But cancel is for service,
Yeah.
like cancel class, cancel shopping, cancel train times. Yeah. So the cancel is for a service. You know what I mean by service?
Yeah.
Yeah. And delete is usually on computer, like database.
Okay.
You know, like this. Yeah. That's the difference. So for the Lewis, it would be which? Delete or cancel?
It's a cancel.
Cancelled, yeah. It would be like that, yeah. But maybe, like for example, your leap card,
Mm-hmm.
you could say delete the account.
Delete account.
Yeah.
I said cancel account.
You can for this one too, because it's also a service.
Okay.
It's their service to you, so you can use both. It's both a service and a database, so you could use both. Yeah, that's a difficult question. You should only ask me easy questions. Right, next one. A crate contains apples. They are packed in rows of 12. Very good, lots of 12. How many apples are there? Nazia won a jar of 252 sweets in a school fete. Her mother took away 130 of them. Took away, yeah. Why don't we say her mother removed? Why don't we say that?
They remove always old money.
No?
Physically, maybe.
No? Why don't we say her mother removed 130 of them?
Because they're a big amount.
No.
Oil and water.
Yeah, because it's apples. Yeah. Oh, is it apples? No, sweets. Sorry, sweets. So because it's a sweet, you know. If it was like, I don't know, 130 litres of Coca-Cola, maybe you could say her mother removed them.
Yeah.
But it gets a bit complicated.
Yeah.
Let's not worry too much. How many did Nazia have left? Good. A group of 5 people go out for a meal. The bill comes to £124. If the bill is shared equally. Shared equally. Yeah. How much do they each pay? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to give you a little homework to do on the last page. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Now the easy homework. You just have to draw pictures. You like to draw a picture, yeah? So if you look, I'll do the first one as an example. So the first one is table.
Yeah.
So what I need you to do for your homework is draw the 2 meanings. So the first meaning in English class is like this. Well, you know what I mean, right? But what's the other meaning in maths class?
It's a table of squares. and-
Yeah, it could be something like this, couldn't it? Yeah. Like A, B, C, D, like this. Yeah? Yeah. So your homework, I want you to draw the pictures for me.
Yeah.
Yeah? You understand?
Draw pictures.
Yeah. Of course I'm sure. Do you want to do something harder?
My drawing is very not that well.
Me too. That's okay. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Don't worry about your drawing. Just do your best. Yeah? Okay, try to finish that. I want to see your pictures next week. Make sure you understand the meaning. You already actually know one of them, don't you? Work out. Remember work out? Yeah, you know that one, don't you? Does anybody know takeaway?
Takeaway.
It means minus. Or, what's the other meaning? Come on, you know takeaway. What's the other meaning?
Takeaway is meaning if you buy food, you can
Yeah,
take it
buying
home.
food, exactly. Yeah, like McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Right. Do this for homework and I'll see you next week, alright?
See ya.
Try that now.
Have a nice day.
I'll try to.
You're trying to.
I'll try.
All I can take away.
Draw burger and chips.
Oh.